I want to share with you at least two very helpful Kubota tips, starter tips. Number one, how to replace the starter on the Kubota zero turn ZD28, and just replaced it, and which starter I used this time, which turned out to be better than the last three starters that I put on here, one of which failed right away. Another lasted 2 seasons and was kind of slow compared to this one. Didn't realize how slow it was till I put this one on, and then it died after the second season. So the easiest procedure and the fastest procedure I've found with this is to take this plate off, because taking this plate off gives you so much more room. And this is a 10 monkey meters bolt head. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, and the third one back here. And I just lay all of that right here in the hood. And then it's a 13 monkey meters for this nut, which is on the end of the top starter bolt, and this nut. And so I just go ahead and get both of those, so I don't have to be switching sockets all the time. Got both of the 13 monkey meters, set them aside in the same place. Then that only leaves the ignition wire and the 2 starter bolts. This one, and now that this plate is off, you have as much access to the top one as this one. And it's just easy peasy. One mistake you want to make sure you don't make is make sure this is up here nice and flat with no gap before tightening either one of these bolts, or you could break the ear off of the starter. And the second thing that's very, very helpful if you're trying to avoid paying that high cost of the Kubota starter and you want an aftermarket that actually works, this is the first aftermarket that I've bought that spins as fast as this one does and feels as powerful. Now, this is my first season with it, so I don't know if it's going to outlast 2 seasons like that last one did. But that last one never did spin as fast as this one does. And since I never had a good starter on here before, I didn't have anything to compare it with. But this one, I can tell right away. Well, I'll just let you hear it. Okay, moment of truth. No booster box, no help at all. Just the battery power. Put on half throttle. Let the electric pump run a second. Well, I call that a success. How about that? That was successful. And that was the Romaine Electric Precision Products, RomaineElectric.com. Got this off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Started that sucker right up, and it's cold too. Cold diesel engine. For more repairs, diagnosis, shenanigans with tools and power tools, Saneauto YouTube.